they're going together. It's really weird. They go run into, and then one runs after the other, and it's really strange. In the other
Well,
litter, we didn't see that.
you know, Reno's dog, Fergus, his brother is with Andrew's mom in Victoria, and actually Nadine is babysitting right now. It's Karina and Andrew, and Gwen are in France. But anyways, Bentley is they're from the same family. And I always wonder if they know or remember, but
You know,
they
I
say
think
it's
it's just a smell. Well, you know, it's
They're always
interesting
sniping at one
because
another, these two. It's
Polly
just
Peanut caught
hilarious.
these two, and there was recognition. They saw us and they came running to us. Yes, I couldn't believe it. I went, here, Bodie, come, Ellie, and Jimmy too, and they just came
Annie Mae.
bouncing to us, and we did this. We were doing
We're
the
going to
same